Welcome back, dear viewers. As we discussed in my previous videos, it's crucial to dress according to your body type. Today, we're taking a deep dive into our comprehensive style guide, where we reiterate that fashion isn't merely about following fleeting trends. Fashion is about embracing and understanding your unique body shape. In this guide, we will be detailing the 5 fundamental body types: pear, apple, rectangle, inverted triangle, and hourglass. We will show you how to determine your body type and select outfits that highlight your best features. Are you poised to reinvigorate your closet, elevate your style, and truly claim your look? Let's delve right into it. Before exploring how to dress for your body type, it's important to comprehend what your body type actually is. As mentioned earlier, there are 5 primary body types: apple, pear, rectangle, inverted triangle, and hourglass. But how can you determine which one you are? It's actually quite simple. You need to consider 3 critical areas that define your body type: your bust, your waist, and your hips. To begin, arm yourself with a measuring tape. Measure your bust at its fullest, your waist at its narrowest, and your hips at their widest. Let's discuss specific measurements now. Typically, if you're an hourglass, your bust and hips will measure similarly, typically within 1-2 inches of each other, with your waist measuring 9-12 inches smaller. For example, if your bust and hips are 36 inches and your waist is 26 inches, you fall into this category. If you're a rectangle, bust, waist, and hips will all have similar widths, with a variation of only 1-2 inches them. An apple shape is characterized by a waist that is visually broader and measures 3-5 inches wider than the bust and hips. Now, if your hips measurement is larger than your bust by 2-4 inches, you're a pear. Lastly, if your bust measurement is more than your hips by 2-4 inches, you fit into the inverted triangle category. Remember, these are just guidelines. Body shapes can vary, and you might not align perfectly into one type. That's entirely okay. It's all about understanding your unique shape and how you can dress to accentuate your best features. Now that you're equipped with your measurements and have identified your body type, let's delve into selecting the right clothes for you. Welcome back. Now that we've identified our individual body types, let's dive into the exciting part: picking out clothes that best flatter our unique shapes. Chapter 1: Tips for dressing an apple body type. If you're an apple, your goal should be to elongate your torso and draw attention away from your waist. Opt for V-neck tops, wrap-style pieces, or A-line dresses, which can create a great visual effect. Chapter 2: Tips for dressing a pear body type. If you're a pear, aim to emphasize your shoulders and waist to balance your proportions. Boat neck tops, cap sleeves, and structured jackets can do wonders. Chapter 3: Tips for dressing an hourglass body type. As an hourglass, your aim is to highlight your well-balanced body shape. Consider belted dresses, wrap styles, and high-waisted skirts. Chapter 4: Tips for dressing a rectangle body type. If you're a rectangle, your goal is to create curves where they don't necessarily exist. Ruffled or frilled tops, layered bottoms, and belted waists can add dimension to your figure. Chapter 5: Tips for dressing an inverted triangle body type. If you're an inverted triangle, your aim should be to balance your broader shoulders, back, and bust with your narrower lower body. Opt for wide leg pants, A-line skirts, or dresses that cinch at the waist. Remember, the goal is to balance your proportions and highlight your best features. No matter your body type, there's a world of fashion out there waiting for you to explore and enjoy. So, let's get started. Alright, let's swiftly review what we've gleaned about selecting attire that suits your body shape. Recognizing the specific shape of your body is the initial step. Distinct styles flatter different body shapes. For instance, apples should consider high-waist jeans, pears can for A-line dresses, hourglasses might want to explore tailored items, while rectangles could experiment with layers. However, these are merely suggestions. Magic happens when you feel great in your body and dress. Fact, let's not forget, confidence is your best ensemble. So, the next time you're dressing up or out shopping, Remember these valuable tips. Embrace your body's unique shape, put on your confidence, make your own style statement. If you found this video helpful and want more fashion advice, don't forget to hit button and subscribe to our channel.